In this video, we will show you how to replace your front license plate bracket on this Nissan Altima. This will be mounted directly to the front of your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on the replacement of our license plate bracket. To replace this, it's going to be fairly simple overall. You'll have two 10mm headed bolts holding it in place. Remove the pair, then remove the bracket from the bumper cover. We'll inspect that mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. And there it is, friend. Clean and inspect the area. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new front license plate bracket. We'll take this and put it in position, aligning our mounting bolt holes. Once you feel as though you have those holes aligned, continue on with the mounting bolts. You can start them in by hand. As you tighten them, keep in mind you are only screwing into plastic. We do not want to strip these out and cause damage to the front bumper cover. Confirm your license plate bracket is secured properly. Reattach your front license plate. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.